Now that I've renamed everything, I'm ready to go do a little cleanup in my scene. As you can see, I've got extra transforms around for all the objects that I combined. What I'll do as I go back to my view is select everything and kill the history by going to Edit, Delete All by Type, History. And now these are just objects, just polygons here in the view. When we look back in the outliner, it's clean. And I have the old camera here, and this is from Revit. I'm going to delete that. And my objects are named nicely, and I only have a few instead of many, and things are ready for texture work. To start this, I'm also going to clean up the materials. For now, I'll pick things, right-click, and choose Assign Existing Material, Lambert 1. As we can see in this never-ending list of fongs here, every unique object got its own material, which is fine for exporting, but I want to be able to clean it up. And we are going to put different materials on, but I wanted to streamline that a little bit and be able to delete a bunch of materials from my hypershade. So I put Lambert 1 back on something, so I know that if I see that gray, I need to put a material on that object. Now I can go to the hypershade by choosing Window, Rendering Editor's Hypershade. And here in the hypershade, there's all my fongs. I can choose Edit, Delete Unused Nodes. And this will get rid of any unused materials, textures, etc. Now it's a lot cleaner. What I prefer to do is make my materials palette here in the hypershade so I can see the materials next to each other. It's pretty handy if you're balancing colors against each other, so forth, and then go through and assign materials. Alternately, I can assign them in the view one by one or to a group of objects, but sometimes I like to see the palette up here first. We need also to save this scene, and I want to talk a little bit about project management. I'll go to File, Project Window, or Set Project. And I'm going to put the project here, setting to Walk on the Beach Maya, which I've already created. In that folder are all the default Maya project names. I'll set my project, and now when I save the scene, choosing File, Save Scene, I can call this Revit Clean. And there's either a Maya ASCII or a Maya binary. I'm going to go as a Maya binary here, and I'll save the file.